Welcome to DataMint. We have created a comprehensive breakdown of exactly what we do, how we work, our case studies, and more. Feel free to pause at any time and write any questions for our meeting. So first off, what do we do? At DataMint, we provide data-driven solutions to service-based businesses. Our core data feed tracks billions of behaviors every single day, which allows us to do things most marketers or agencies barely knew existed. We will break this down for you in 5 phases and show you exactly what happens when you work with DataMint. Phase 1, audience and traffic. If you run paid traffic on Facebook, Google, or any ad platform, you likely have experienced the ever-growing problem of lack of inventory. The targeting is either non-existent or based on low-intent indicators like page likes or video watches. DataMint tracks over 60 billion URLs every single week coming from direct competitors like HVAC Boss, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Neighborly, and more. We then track these visitors back to the user profile, allowing us to target the exact prospects looking for these services. For example, watch how easy it is to find people looking for HVAC repair services. So let's say, for an example, I'm trying to build ads for my HVAC business or an HVAC company. I'll go to B2B. You just click in here and just type in HVAC, and there you go, right? You can choose your audience. Now, these things are pretty massive, like these audiences are not small, all right? So let's say, for an example, we want to do HVAC duct cleaning, just like so. Then what we're going to do is we can choose parameters like personal, family, financial, house, auto, location, etc. And all that stuff is good, but we're not going to use any of it right now. We're just going to build the audience as big as possible to shoot over to Facebook ads. So we're going to B2B, we're going to our platform and choose the date. Click here and hit Generate Audience. Okay? Once you've generated your audience, it will show inside of our platform. I've got my test ones and done quite a few. Then we can start syncing it over to Facebook ads. This is how we are able to see results like Herman, who was able to reduce the cost per booked call from $400 to just $190, or how Kim was able to cut their cost per booked call by 50%. Landon was able to bring in booked calls at 45s, leading to 15 signed agreements per day. Robert, who increased their conversion rate by 50%. In fact, this is a brand new Facebook ad account with no prior data. Using these audiences plus some simple ads, we were able to bring in leads at just $17 that actually led to sales. Audience is the foundation of every successful campaign. And at DataMint, we skip all the guessing and just show who is actually looking for your exact service. Phase 2. Identity resolution. So let's say you're running paid traffic already via Facebook, Google, or another ad platform. Did you know that 70% of that ad spend and overall traffic is completely wasted? This means that for every $10 spent on traffic, on average, $7 of this is wasted. The average match rate, that is people who are actually captured and recognized by a tracking pixel such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., is roughly 15%. So assuming you have 1,000 visitors on your website, 850 people will not be matched, meaning you won't be able to retarget or contact them ever again, even if they were interested. In this phase, we not only help you bring these visitors back, we convert them into appointments and sales. Our DataMint pixel takes anonymous traffic, then uses our own private database to reveal their full contact information. This means by just installing our pixel on your website, we can bring in 2 to 3 times more leads from existing traffic. Phase 3, reactivation. In Phase 3, we rolled out our reactivation program where, using an AI chat system, we can directly contact each matched visitor by email, call, and text within minutes of visiting your website. This can be used on matches from the DataMint pixel across all inbound and outbound lead generation. This is how we helped Client X bring in 4 additional deals from their current traffic. Phase 4, B2B2C marketing. Let's recap. We have found the exact buyers actively searching for your service, fed this to Facebook, Google, and are generating qualified leads and appointments. Next, we use our DataMint pixel and 2 to 3 times the amount of leads with an AI reactivation system that converts a bulk of these into appointments. What's next? You are getting leads at the best price and highest conversion rate possible. Now it's time to build a scalable referral partner system. In Phase 4, we focus on B2B marketing. finding referral partners, and even commercial contracts. Imagine you are an HVAC company and looking to get in contact with real estate agents who will regularly refer clients across. We use B2B2C targeting to run hyper-targeted paid ads at a fraction of the cost and target the exact business. For instance, trying to reach John Smith, a realestatecompany.com through Facebook is challenging. Using B2B2C ad targeting in our platform, we identify each business on your list and match to their personal contact so they can be targeted on Facebook. This is also how we reduced lead cost for another campaign by 50% in just days. By now, we have found your exact buyer, gotten hyper-targeted leads, installed the Data Mint Pixel to bring in 2 to 3 times more leads and appointments, then used our B2B2C system to bring in referral partners like realtors, home inspectors, and more. Phase 5, Organic Takedown. If you have tried or are doing SEO, you know how competitive it is. Keywords like HVAC service technician near me might have dozens, even hundreds of competitors. We call these vanity terms. They are hyper-competitive, and most businesses pay or rank for them as the most obvious. In this phase, we leverage AI to do something competitors don't even know about. Each day, over 15% of Google keywords are not picked up on tracking platforms. These are very specific terms with few searches, like best HVAC technician with good reviews near me, dropping daily. These keywords are the holy grail, and the only way to rank for them is content creation. That's where we come in. Using AI, we can turn 10 hyper-competitive keywords into over 100,000 long-tail variations with no competition, resulting in hundreds of booked calls every month from thousands of microterms. So we have broken down the 5 phases from audience, reactivation, referrals, and organic. Now to answer the question you're likely asking, will this work for me? On your upcoming call, we will tailor this to you and see what phase to start with. We may even audit your current process to help. Hope you enjoyed learning about DataMint. We cannot wait to meet you. Sign up for a free consultation today and let's explore how DataMint can revolutionize your lead generation strategy. Click the link to book your call now and take the first step towards smarter, more efficient marketing.